TOI 700d, Earth 2.0, discovered by NASA TESS Spacecraft. The newly discovered planet and its Earth-size sibling are both in the habitable zone, where liquid water could potentially exist on their surfaces. Welcome to another episode. If you enjoyed this type of content, then subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our latest and greatest uploads. Using data from NASA's Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite, scientists have identified an Earth-sized world, called TOI 700e, orbiting within the habitable zone of its star, the range of distances where liquid water could occur on a planet's surface. The world is 95% of Earth's size and likely rocky. Astronomers previously discovered 3 planets in this system, called TOI 700b, C, and D. Planet D also orbits in the habitable zone. But scientists needed an additional year of TESS observations to discover TOI 700e. Quote, "This is one of only a few systems with multiple small habitable zone planets that we know of," said Emily Gilbert, a postdoctoral fellow at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Southern California, who led the work. That makes the TOI 700 system an exciting prospect for additional follow-up. Planet E is about 10% smaller than Planet D, so the system also shows how additional TESS observations help us find smaller and smaller worlds. Gilbert presented the result on behalf of her team at the 241st meeting of the American Astronomical Society in Seattle. TOI 700 is a small, cool M-dwarf star located around 100 light-years away from the southern constellation Dorado. In 2020, Gilbert and others announced the discovery of the Earth-size habitable zone Planet D, which is on a 37-day orbit along with 2 other worlds. The innermost planet, TOI 700b, is about 90% of Earth's size and orbits the star every 10 days. TOI 700c is over 2.5 times bigger than Earth and completes an orbit every 16 days. The planets are probably tidally locked, which means they spin only once per orbit, such that one side always faces the star, just as one side of the moon is always turned toward Earth. TESS monitors large swaths of sky, called sectors, for approximately 27 days at a time. These long stares allow the satellite to track changes in stellar brightness caused by a planet crossing in front of its star from our perspective, an event called a transit. The mission used this strategy to observe the southern sky starting in 2018, before turning to the northern sky. In 2020, it returned to the southern sky for additional observations. The extra year of data allowed the team to refine the original planet sizes, which are about 10% smaller than initial calculations. Quote, "If the star was a little closer or the planet a little bigger, we might have been able to spot TOI 700e in the first year of TESS data," said Ben Horde, a doctoral candidate at the University of Maryland, College Park, and a graduate researcher at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center in Greenbelt, Maryland. But the signal was so faint that we needed the additional year of transit observations to identify it. TOI 700e, which may also be tidally locked, takes 28 days to orbit its star, placing Planet E between planets C and D in the so-called optimistic habitable zone. Scientists define the optimistic habitable zone as the range of distances from a star where liquid surface water could be present at some point in a planet's history. This area extends to either side of the conservative habitable zone, the range where researchers hypothesize liquid water could exist over most of the planet's lifetime. TOI 700d orbits in this region. Finding other systems with Earth-sized worlds in this region helps planetary scientists learn more about the history of our own solar system. Follow-up study of the TOI 700 system with space and ground-based observatories is ongoing, Gilbert said, and may yield further insights into this rare system. Quote, "TESS just completed its second year of northern sky observations. We're looking forward to the other exciting discoveries hidden in the mission's treasure trove of data. What we know about TOI 700 is that there are at least 3 planets here, with TOI 700d being the outermost and the only one likely to be in the habitable zone. The planet is in a 37-day orbit and receives 86% of the insolation that the Sun gives the Earth. Here, again, we look to Spitzer, for its data allowed researchers not only to confirm the existence of TOI 700d, but also to tighten the constraints of its orbital period by 56% and its size by 38%. Further observations from the Las Cumbres Observatory network also tightened the orbital period. The other worlds in the TOI 700 system are TOI 700b, about Earth size and probably rocky, orbiting the star every 10 days, and TOI 700c, 2.6 times larger than Earth and in a 16-day orbit. As to the intriguing TOI 700d, let's keep in mind that it's relatively close at just over 100 light-years, making it a potential target for follow-up observations by future space observatories, although not the James Webb Space Telescope, as I'll explain in a moment. TOI 700d is also likely to be, along with its planetary companions, in tidal lock with the star, keeping one side constantly in daylight and the other in perpetual night. This nearby star appears to have low flare activity, adding to the potential that if TOI 700d is truly in its habitable zone, any life developing there would not have to cope with severe doses of UV and X-rays. We should be able to get radial velocity information on this system that could firm up our assumptions about the composition of the 3 planets, by determining their density when contrasted with the transmit data that gives us their sizes. More about the mission. TESS is a NASA Astrophysics Explorer mission led and operated by Massachusetts Institute of Technology in Cambridge, Massachusetts, and managed by NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center. Additional partners include Northrop Grumman, based in Falls Church, Virginia, NASA's Ames Research Center in California's Silicon Valley, the Center for Astrophysics, Harvard and Smithsonian in Cambridge, Massachusetts, MIT's Lincoln Laboratory, and the Space Telescope Science Institute in Baltimore, Maryland. More than a dozen universities, research institutes, and observatories worldwide are participants in the mission. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about TOI 700d, Earth 2.0, discovered by NASA's TESS spacecraft. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for content just like it.